Hello guys, this is Deepak Mahapatra. Before starting my video, I just want to say sorry to all of you guys because of some of my tight schedule and some of my upgradation process. I was unable to do some videos on my learning process or the things which I'm learning from my books and from life, from anywhere, everywhere. But today I want to share with you all something about the thing which we all know but we never apply in your life because of we are becoming so selfish nowadays. But I want to realize that you have to be kind and you have to share happiness with others through my passion. You people be like, how this person is guide us by through his passion. Yes, because you know what is my passion is singing. And today I want to sing a song for all of you guys. You people be like, wait a minute, this guy is going to sing. Yes, passion, this is my passion and this makes me really happy. So without wasting the time, let's get started, man. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. So you people will like, why this song? So I want to explain here. You know what, guys? When I heard this song so much before, but in the learning process, when this song stuck up in my mind, the lyrics really get touched by my heart. You know why? Because the lyrics suggest if someone is unhappy in their life, just make them happy. Just give a happiness to them. Because a small happiness, small kindness will make a wonder for them. And if someone is sad, depressed, or crying like anything, give your shoulder. You don't know how much mean you're doing something for them, and for that people you would be a world for them. Yes. And you know what, guys, when you share something with all, your happiness will be doubled. When you share your happiness, your kindness, your humbleness with others, the positivity towards you will double, because this is what life is. Life is not about being selfish all the time. Life is all about to make yourself happy and make others happy. So that is why I want to sing that song today. And but before that, before the ending of this before to end this video, I want to share one shairi which I wrote in my hand. So, you know what, guys? Please just apply in your life. Don't be selfish in your life, because not so many things, but just be happy and just make others happy. Because and don't utter harsh words towards some people, because you don't know how much you hurt them until and unless you got the same word from anyone, from someone. Okay, so the शायरी is all about, जीना इसी का नाम है जिसने खुद से पहले दूसरों के लिए दुआ निकले, जिसमें खुद से पहले दूसरों के लिए दुआ निकले, खुद की फिक्र कम दूसरों की फिक्र सदा सताए, जिंदगी बिना अपनों की अधूरी सी लगे और दूसरों के सपनों में पूरी लगे, जीना इसी का तो नाम है, जिंदगी इसे ही तो कहते हैं. So guys, you know what? Life is all about sharing happiness, caring, kindness, humbleness, not about anger, jealousy, selfishness. Not, no. Just think about it. Okay? Just give your time to your family, to the people who want you. Nothing else. Just make them happy. Nothing else. So this is what I want to share with you all today. I hope you will apply in your life, and I will come with another video in this process also. So Bye bye. This is what I want to share with you all today. Bye bye. This is Deepak Mahapatra signing out from today's session. Bye bye.